Yo, what's going on, folks? Steven here in the kitchen cooking up a keto dinner. Yes, folks, keto dinner. So check this out. If you've never had Tuscan chicken or Tuscan salmon, that was my first time I tried the Tuscan deal. It was Tuscan salmon. It was delicious. I'm doing Tuscan chicken today. It's basically just salt and pepper the protein, add some garlic, some heavy cream, and some sun-dried tomatoes. Sun-dried tomatoes. You finish it with some Parmesan. Et voila, done and done. So yeah, so we just first salt and pepper the chicken. I got the pan already. I poured some some avocado oil in the pan, so the pan is getting nice and hot. I got a nice cast iron 10-inch skillet going. I've got chicken tenderloins here. It's basically chicken breast sliced up in small pieces, but you can use regular chicken breasts, probably better, but this is what I had, so this is what I'm using. Salt, massage it in there. Yeah, this is a super easy keto meal, guys. This is I think all in it'll maybe take 30-40 minutes to be done. What I'm gonna serve with this is some riced cauliflower. You can get a head of cauliflower, dice it up, do it that way, or they sell them already frozen, chopped up in a frozen bag. Some of them even they sell them in steamable bags, so you could just steam it in a microwave and it's done in 5 to 7 minutes. What I like about the riced cauliflower is that it's kind of like tofu in that it'll take on whatever flavor you want and it'll be good. You know, you can make it, you know, Chinese style and do it with, you know, sesame oil and that kind of stuff, and give it that Chinese kind of flavor, or any Indian style, any kind of flavor you want to, you know, indoctrinate it with, for better, you know, for lack of a better term. It'll work. It'll be fine. So that's just my 2 cents. So I'm getting the chicken in the pan here. Just gonna give that a few minutes on each side, get it browned. Right, that's that. Just the chicken. Cook it up. Got some more to make sure it don't fit in there, but I'll make some more. There with you, I'm gonna grab some garlic. Voila. Hey man, I hope these videos are helpful. I'm trying to keep the content fresh, and I'm trying to, like I said before, this is about overall health and wellness. I want you all to be, you know, healthy and well, and part of that is taking care of your mental health and your physical health. That's the way to do it. So I'm going to post content that revolves around that, and hopefully you keep coming back because you like it and you find it valuable. That's all I want to do. I just want to help people, you know, become their best selves, basically. So please comment, like, let me know if you've had this meal before, if you like it. If you do try after you see this, let me know how it turned out. I mean, this is super simple to make. I like to put things up that are super simple, that are ingredients that are easy to get, and that the process is pretty much, you don't have to be a 5-star Michelin-rated chef to be able to, put these dishes together, And also stuff that's quick, like everybody has a different rhythm to their life, they're, busy and stuff, and not everybody has, time to spend hours in the kitchen preparing a delicious meal. So I try to keep that in mind. But yeah, like I said, this is the Tuscan chicken. You need salt, pepper, 4 or 5 little cloves of garlic diced up, some sun-dried tomatoes. I cut them in little long slivers. You could just throw them in whole like they are, but I like to slice them into little slivers. And spinach, right? So spinach. So at the end, once the chicken is all cooked down and the cream is cooking down, you add the spinach at the very end, the last few minutes, because the spinach cooks so easily, so quickly. And that's that. So let's go ahead and give this chicken a turn. Right, so still brown. So diced up the garlic already. You can see it. Some garlic already diced up. Sun-dried tomatoes, yum yum. So delish. Those have a nice little sweetness to them. Goes great with this dish. And like I said, this dish is so easy to make, so little time, and I like that. I'm about simplicity. I'm gonna spend hours in the kitchen. Some people do. Some people that's what they love to do on a busy day, on a weekday. Just getting out from your job, picking up the kids, all that, life, day-to-day stuff. Maybe you don't have 2 hours to spend cooking a dish. But yeah. This is also a dish that, most of the ingredients, most people keep garlic at home. Most people have, chicken breast, heavy cream, those things, So it's not an expensive shopping list to create this dish, which is another, plus to it. You can add mushrooms if you like. I don't particularly care for mushrooms myself. Very rare instances, but that's not really my jam, as they say, so I leave them out. Or you could totally add some mushrooms to this dish. Sun-dried tomatoes are chopped up. Excellent. So I got the second batch of chicken cooking down, the pre-cook actually, and I got all my other stuff ready. I got the some spinach. I washed it up. It's ready to go. I got sun-dried tomatoes chopped up, and this is the cauliflower I was referring to. It's in a steam bag already. So you put it in the microwave, and in 5 to 7 minutes, depending on the power of your microwave, right? It's done, cooked. Then you season it. I like to a little salt, a little butter, but it depends on the dish I'm accompanying it with. But that's my go-to: a little salt, butter. You know, get it melted in and give it a little extra flavor. But it really takes on the flavor of anything, really. Like, you can season it however you want, it'll be fine. But yeah, super keto. This meal is super keto, super easy, like I said. Yeah. Yeah, folks, we're gonna get this chicken out, set it aside. Yeah, add a little more olive oil. I mean, I'm saying olive oil, it's avocado oil. You don't cook with olive oil, right? You finish stuff with olive oil. You don't cook with it. So turn the fire down a little bit. You don't want to burn the garlic. Bam. The garlic in there gets a little bit fragrant. It's already getting fragrant. Sun-dried tomatoes go in there. Give it a nice little coating with the oil. Oh, this smells. I wish you could smell this. This smells so freaking delicious. The sweetness of the tomato. That garlic smell. That's what it's looking like right now. Hey, yum. Right? Now we're going to go ahead and put the chicken back in the pan. It really does smell so good. Or some, keto-approved vegetable of your choice on the side. This works with rice cauliflower because you can put the cream sauce on the rice cauliflower and it gives it a little nice taste too. But yeah, hope this was one that you like and one that you add to your regular rotation. Again, start to finish, 30-40 minutes all in. So enjoy, have a good one.